Is forgiveness essential? And why? That's the question. Is forgiveness essential, and why? You know, everyone needs forgiveness. Let that marinate in your spirit. Everyone needs forgiveness. We on page 12 in our book. The basic facts of the Bible are God's creative power and holiness, human rebellion, and the efforts of our merciful God to bring us back to an intended relationship of sonship and fellowship. David expressed this terrible condition of the unforgiving sinner graphically in Psalms 51. He spoke of being unclean in verses 3, 7, and 10.